Hey y'all, we're going to talk about how I removed these MelodySusie Qcoat fully cured gel nail strips. And so here are the nails after a full 7 days of wear. Now I did top coat these, so you can see the top coat is peeling from my thumbnail. It's peeling a little bit from my index finger, and then I had a chip, and I think that was, I don't know if that was the middle finger or my ring finger. And so I'm just showing you, I recorded the video on October the 13th, and then when I did this removal, it was October the 20th, so a full week's worth of wear. So not bad at all. And so I couldn't find any instructions on how to remove these doggone things. So I was like, okay, well, they stuck to the nail, so there has to be some type of adhesive on the back of those nail strips because they're stickers. Stickers have adhesive. And so I do have, and so I'm just lifting it up just a little bit on the cuticle area. Then I have some Macart nail glue remover that I got off Amazon. And so what I will do is apply that with the brush at the cuticle area of all of the nails. So once I do that for all of the nails, I let that sit for maybe a minute, if not even a minute. And then I will use an orange wood stick and gently peel the sticker off my nail. I only show one nail. And so if I feel like there's a little bit of resistance when I go to remove, I just apply a little bit more of that adhesive, and they came right on off of the nail. And I'm just using the nail file just to break the seal on the free edge of the nail because I did seal these with gel top coat. Okay, so after about a minute or so, I'm just going in with the orange wood stick and gently lifting that nail sticker off of my nail. And again, if I meet just a little bit of resistance, I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that nail glue remover and just kind of paint that on the nail, just to kind of saturate it a little bit. And it peels right off the nail. You can see it coming right off. And then once I peel that sticker off, there's a little bit of it, there's a little bit of adhesive left on the nail, and so I do have some adhesive remover pads, and I'm just going to use that just to remove the rest of that sticker off of the nail, or the sticky part off of the nail. And then here are all the nails coming up, no damage, no nothing, and that's it. Thanks for watching.